The 2011 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, CD changer, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.